Hey guys, I'm out here today camping in the shelter that I built, and this design is called a super shelter, where there's like a reflective mylar blanket and then somewhat clear plastic with the fire. And then I found this piece of plywood down here, and I'm gonna use it to protect the fire because it's supposed to rain and snow tonight. And then so I just got here a little while ago, been collecting firewood, and then I'll get in when it starts to rain and cook up some steak. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you some, because out here it's cold and you can see my breath. It's like 38 or so. But then you come in the shelter and you can't see my breath, and it's here. Let's check the temperature real quick. I have a little thermometer. Oh, it's right here. It's just over 60 right now, but that's because I've had my door open. It was holding steady at around 70 when I was in here earlier, but it's gonna start raining very soon. Alright, so I'm collecting dinner for tomorrow. I got one sparrow. Hopefully I can get about 10 more. Make some sparrow stew. My camp is over there where those trees are. And then I'm just gonna walk along the tracks, maybe get a rabbit or some more sparrows or something. Because I don't want to just eat a single sparrow. Okay, so it's pretty much dark outside. There's a little bit of light, and my fire's burning down to embers, so I'll cook supper soon. But I couldn't see anything, so I had to turn my lantern on, and this should provide a little bit of heat too. And as you can see, this place is pretty roomy. It's about 6 feet long and about 5 feet wide. But I'm laying on the short side, well, like where it's about 5 feet long, because so that way I can be right up next to the fire. Well, and anyways, I sleep like curled up, so it doesn't matter how long it is really. Hey guys, I just got done cooking this nice little deer steak, and I got 3 more about the same size in there. And then I don't know if you can hear, but it's just starting to rain a little bit. Well, it's actually been raining for a while, but and then show you my little cooking setup. I just have a little grill thing up. I don't know what brand it is or anything, but yeah. And then the only seasonings I have is salt and pepper. Hopefully it should be good. Well guys, it's the next morning, and my fire went out, so I had to, there were still embers though, but we got about 1 inch of snow last night. This is our 3rd snow of the year. Just a few days ago we had about 6 inches of snow, but that mostly melted away. And then, but last night my fire went out a few times, and actually only once. Then I had to restart it, but I had to just refuel it a couple times. So I'm gonna get some food on the fire, and I'll show you then. I just roasted this sparrow over the fire, and we're gonna see how a sparrow tastes. Well guys, the sparrow was actually pretty good. It just kind of tasted like chicken. So it wasn't bad at all.